Hi guys, today we're going to talk about plant reproduction. So we're starting lesson 2. Get your notebooks out and make sure you copy down all of the notes. So plants reproduce in 2 ways. They include asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is plants that don't need seeds. So what that means is they can grow a new plant from a leaf, stem, or another part of the plant. And the new organism is identical to the parent. A really common good example of this is potatoes. So they just grow new plants out of the buds. So if you've ever had potatoes for too long, then in the fridge or in the pantry, they will start growing buds out and actually try and grow a new potato plant. Sexual reproduction involves male and female sex cells. The male cell is called sperm and the female is called egg. When male and female join together, that is fertilization, and they combine their genetic makeup. So that means that the baby is a mix of the makeup from the parents. It's not identical to either parent. It's a total mix, a 50-50 mix, and this can occur in seedless and seeded plants. The plant life cycle has 2 stages. They have a gametophyte stage and a sporophyte stage. Seed plants have pollen and an egg. Pollen is the male part of the plant and the egg is the female. The plants produce pollen grains, which contain sperm, and the female structures produce eggs. In angiosperms, this is your flowering plants. You have a flower with beautiful bright petals to attract pollinators. There are sepals in the flower right here on the bottom to protect our leaves, and they help it when it's a bud. The pistil is this female reproductive organ, and then the stamen, or these out here. So they call the pistil the carpel. It has 3 parts, a stigma, a style, and ovary. And then your male is the stamen, which has the anther and the filament. The anther is where our pollen grains are. So pollination occurs when pollen lands on a female structure of the same plant species, and the sperm joins with eggs, which equals fertilization. The cell division leads to the formation of an embryo, and the embryo and food supply are enclosed in a protective covering called our seed. Seeds go through a period with no growth. That is called dormancy. When environmental conditions are favorable, then the seed will become active again. So when there's enough water, sunlight, etc. Germination is our process of seed growth, and that's when the seed starts to grow into a plant. Growth. So annuals are plants that grow from seed and produce flowers in one growing season. They must be planted every year. Biennials are plants that take 2 growing seasons and usually have a period of dormancy between. And perennials are plants that grow and bud for many years. Okay. That's it for today. So I'm going to